My name is Flash Isaac, and I'm a teacher from the future. When I was much younger, I saw thousands and thousands of people fail Jamb and unable to gain admission. This made me travel in time. Now I am back with the Flashlearners Jamb app and a series on YouTube tagged 120 Days to Jamb. My mission is to help you blast Jamb and as well get justice for everyone who Jamb has served breakfast. This is episode number 65 of the 120 Days to Jamb Mathematics with Flash Isaac. In this episode, we shall be looking at these questions. The first one here says, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose interior angle is twice the exterior angle. The interior angle is twice the exterior angle. Find the number of sides. Let's say the interior angle is equals, let's call it I, and the interior angle is twice the exterior angle, which means exterior angle is E, interior angle is 2 times exterior angle. It makes sense like this. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose interior angle is twice the exterior angle. If we call the exterior angle E, then the interior angle should be 2 times E. Already, we know that interior angle plus exterior angle, everything is equals 180 degrees. Now, we have the exterior angle because interior angle is 2 times exterior angle plus exterior angle, we are taking it to be E. This is equals 180 degrees. 2E plus E, that is 3E. So 3E is equals 180 degrees. And E is equals 180 degrees divided by 3. We are looking for number of sides. Now that we know exterior angle to be 60 degrees, and we know that interior angle plus exterior angle is equals 180 degrees, from here, food is ready. Why? Each interior angle or interior angle is n minus 2 times 180 over n plus 60 degrees, which is exterior angle. This should be equals 180 degrees. If you look at it very well, n minus 2 times 180 over n is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. The next operation is cross multiplication. N minus 2 times 180 should be equals n times 120, that is 120 n. It is high time we opened up this bracket. 180 times n is 180 n. 180 times 2 is 360. So minus 360 degrees. This is equals 120 n. If we choose to collect like terms, it will be 180 n minus 120 n. That is 20 n. So 20 n is equals 360 degrees. N is equals 360 degrees over 20. Find the value of S in the figure above. Seeing this question, there is high chance that you know where to start, and there is also a chance that you do not know where to start. Any which category you belong, The aim is to teach you this, and we are solving so many more questions. After everything, you should know what to do, right? And if I solve this and you see something like this next time, you should be able to solve it, right? That is the aim. The fact that you don't know where to start in this one does not mean you should feel it's too difficult or you should give up or anything. Okay? Yes. Anytime you see something like this line is here. There is a potential that this line should continue. This should continue. If you watch my video under bearing, you will know that anytime I see two lines joining, I like doing something like this. Like this. North south with west east. But in this case, the concern is not the north south west east, is to pick out something. If this is an angle, obviously here is an angle. Let's call this angle. What do we call it? Let's call it P. You can call it anything. So I'm trying to not teach you S, so that when you see everything, you will not think everything is S, 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 S. Now, this is another angle. Let's call here arrow. If here is arrow, okay, let me make this sweeter for you. Here, two lines are joining. Let's have something like this here. Another cardinal point. Let's have something like this here. Another cardinal point. Look at something. This is between two directions here. And this is joining this other two directions. I told you that any full angle you have here, it will be the same thing as here. So here will also be P, because they are alternate angles. Remember, we have many things here now. This big angle we have earlier is S. So from here to here like this is also P. Here and here are the same, alternate angle. Since we have this full angle here in between two cardinal points, and you have here like this arrow, and here from here to here is also the same. Arrow is arrow, alternate angles. It therefore means that this S is arrow plus P. If you add arrow and P, you will get S. Now, how do we get arrow and how do we get P? If you are already thinking what I'm thinking, life will get so sweet for us. This is a straight line, and this is angle on a straight line. So 110 plus arrow is equals 180 degrees, because the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Arrow is therefore equals 70 degrees, collecting like terms. From here, this is a straight line, and these are angles formed on a straight line. The angles are 120 degrees and P. So 120 degrees plus P should give us 180 degrees. If you add all the angles in a straight line, you get 180 degrees, which means P will give us 60 degrees. 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. From here, food is so ready. If P is 60 degrees and arrow is 70 degrees, this angle is P plus arrow, that is 60 degrees plus 70 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, that should give us something like 130 degrees. So angle S is 130 degrees. All these questions are usually sweet. What you need is open mind, just follow. You see the way I analyze questions. Most of these questions I've not even seen them before. But once I just see it, I start from somewhere. By the time I start, I progress, and at the end, I am able to solve it. Don't just see questions and say, hey! No. Just see, look for where to start from. Start, you build. When you get stuck at any point, you know that at least you've started. Look at this question. We are required to find the value of S. This is this angle. And I told you that once you have line joining, you can be drawing your cardinal points. That will make things easier for you to know whether some angles are actually alternate or not, and at least it's going to give you some idea. Like from here, let me do something like this and something like this. From here, let me do something like this, and I already have this. From here, let me do something like this. I already have this. If you look at here and you look at here, you will see that this angle and here are alternate angles. Here is also 55 degrees. If you look at here and you look at here, you will see that this from here to here and here are alternate angle. From here to here, this S, and from here to here are alternate angle. So here is also S. With this type of questions, life gets so easy. Look at this. All these angles form a circle or a point. You see, full angle on a circle or angles acting at a point. The sum of angles in a circle or the sum of angles that are acting together at a particular point is 360 degrees. If we agree with that, it means these 260 degrees plus this 55 degrees plus this S is equals 360 degrees. Now 260, 55, 5, 11, 3. So 315 plus S is equals 360 degrees. S is equals 360 degrees minus 315 degrees. S should give you 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees and this is 45 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you understand better now. With this, we come to the end of this particular episode. Subscribe to this channel if you've not, and tell your friends if you like what you are benefiting. That will be it. See you in the next episode where we shall try again.